Welcome back to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions, your go-to destination for cutting-edge welding technology. In today's video, we're diving into the world of precision welding with the rocker body and pin TIG fusion tack welding circular welder. Meet the future of welding automation. The rocker body and pin TIG fusion tack welding circular welder is a game changer in the welding industry. It's designed to deliver precision, consistency, and efficiency like never before. With its advanced TIG fusion tack welding technology, our circular welder ensures flawless welds every time. Whether you're working on pipes, tubes, or complex circular components, it's got you covered. One of the standout features is its precise control. You can adjust welding parameters with ease, ensuring that you achieve the perfect weld for your specific project. Say goodbye to imperfections and rework. Safety is paramount, and our circular welder doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with state-of-the-art safety measures to protect both the operator and the workpiece. What's more, is the user-friendly interface makes it easy for even novice welders to operate. Training time is minimized, and productivity is maximized. So, whether you're in the automotive, aerospace, or any other industry that demands precision welding for the rocker body and pin TIG fusion tack welding, our circular welder is your answer to achieve top-notch results. That's it for today's showcase. If you're ready to take your welding game to the next level, don't hesitate to reach out to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cutting-edge welding solutions and innovations.